Hi my dear students, hopefully you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to talk about functional group. You know that the functional group is related to the organic chemistry. Organic compounds contain carbon atoms. But we can say their properties their properties depend on a special group called a functional group. That is our topic today. Have you got this idea? Organic compounds contain carbons atoms, but their properties depend on a special group called a functional group. Or we can say, if we write only definition of the functional group is a functional group is an atom, or we can say group of atoms that gives characteristics chemical properties to an organic compound. This is the definition of the functional group. A functional group is an atom or group of atoms that gives the characteristics chemical properties to an organic compound. We can take an example here. You know that CH4 is the methane, or we can say our natural gas formula. It's our natural gas formula, or methane, but there is no functional group. It is simple hydrocarbon. Got it? For the functional group, we can take example of CH3 OH. That is methanol. There is a one functional group. That is OH. We can say family simple CH3, it is only the methane, or we can say the natural gas formula. It is a simple hydrocarbon, but CH3 is attached with OH, and there is a one condition. When we attach OH, that is a functional group, we must have to make a alkyl radical first. What is meant by the alkyl radical? Alkyl radical means the removal of one hydrogen from the hydrocarbon chain to make it a alkyl radical, and we will attach on removal of one hydrogen. What we will attach? The functional group, that is OH. OH representing the families of alcohol. There are so many examples. For example, we are taking another example, CH3 COOH. It's representing to acetic acid. What is the functional group here? CH3 from CH4 again. This is alkyl radical. And on the fourth H, that is the fourth H, on the place of the fourth H, we are attaching here COOH. That is a functional group. Functional group. And what's the family? Family is carboxylic acid. So hopefully you understand this functional group idea, the definition and the examples. Hopefully we will come with another video. For continuously watching my videos related to safety chemistry, please subscribe and like my video. Thank you so much.